Well guys, here's 1187 waiting to be restored. Let's hope that she can be restored by Christmas Day or possibly Christmas Eve. This is going to be a lengthy restoration. We're going 23 days to be restored. And if this engine is restored, I'll be putting 1187 in front of the Polar Express doubleheader. Let's hope that it happens. Count your blessings and hope and pray that this engine will be restored. Hope you have a great Christmas this year. And my Christmas gift to you guys, especially Team Awesomeness, that this engine, running number 1187, will be restored. See you guys.